No, 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 no. Send it.
I wonder if this had anything to do with the fire, with how loose these fuel fittings are. Now it's oil. I think she needs more flake. Yeah, definitely not enough flake. Are your rockers rusting out? You got holes where there shouldn't be holes? You want it to look like this with no holes and no rot through? Well, then this is what you got to do. You got to cut it all out, weld in new metal all along here, and fill it all with spray foam. Get it all filled in with spray foam, sand it down, and just paint it. Paint it and it'll just look like it's brand new.